Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. Have you all learned the 4 operations on algebra? Or you feel that the chapter is a very difficult one? If you have known the basics, it is easy to solve. Let us recap a small portion of it. We have already learned what is algebra and how to write the algebraic expression and its types also. 12x plus y is an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of constants and variables connected by the signs of fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today let us learn chapter 13, Substitution. How to substitute the values in an expression. Let us take one example, 12x plus y. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, we have to substitute the values in that expression. So we get 12 into, in case of x, we have to put the value 2. Plus, in case of y, have to put the value 1. Then solve it. 12 2s are 24 plus 1. So, what is the result? We get 25. The value of an algebraic expression depends on the values of all the variables involved in it. Process of finding the value of an algebraic expression by substituting the values of the variables in the expression is known as substitution. Exercise 13.1. Find the value of the following algebraic expressions given that m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 2. For sum 3m minus 4n plus 2p. In case of m, you have to put the value 6. In case of n, you have to put the value of 4. And in case of p, you have to put the value of 2. That is equal to 3 into 6 minus 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2. Then simplify the expression. 3 6 are 18 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 2 2s are 4. Then 18 minus 16 we get 2. 2 plus 4 we get 6. Second sum, find the value of the following algebraic expressions given that a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 1. First sum, a square b plus b square c plus c square a. A square b means a square into b. So in case of a, you have to put the value of minus 5. So minus 5 the whole square into, what is the value of b? Is equal to 2 plus b square. So 2 square into, what is the value of c? Minus 1 plus c square. So minus 1 the whole square into, what is the value of a? Minus 5. Minus 5 square means minus 5 into minus 5. So we get minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 2 plus 2 square. 2 2s are 4. 4 into minus 1 plus minus 1 the whole square means minus 1 into minus 1 we get plus 1. So 1 into minus 5. Then 25 into 2s are 50 plus 1 4 is 4. Plus into minus we get minus 4. Then again 1 into 5 we get 5 and plus into minus we get minus 5. Then 50 minus 4 we get 46 minus 5. So what is your answer? 41. Find the value of the following expressions given that s is equal to 1 by 2, t is equal to 4 and u is equal to 1 by 3. Second sum, 7t minus s minus u. So 7, what is the value of t? Is equal to 4. So 7 into 4 minus s. What is the value? 1 by 2 minus u. 1 by 3. 7 4s are 28 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Here they are fractions. So how will you subtract that? You have to take a LCM and subtract it. So 28 divided by 1. What is the LCM for 2 and 3? We get 6. So you have to multiply into 6. So 28 by 1 into 6. We get 1 6 is 6 and 28 into 6. 8 6 are 48, 4 remainder, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 168 by 6 minus 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So 1 into 3 is 3. So you get 3 by 6 and 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6. So 1 2 is 2. So minus 2 by 6. Now they have a common denominator. We can subtract it now. 168 minus 3 we get 165 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Then again subtracted we get 163 by 6. Then change into mixed fraction. So 163 divided by 6. 2 6 are 12 and the remainder is 4, 43 and 7 6 are 42. What is the remainder? 1. Here 27 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder and 6 is the divisor. What is the format for mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder by divisor. So what is your answer? 27 1 by 6. If x is equal to minus 4, find minus x square. That is equal to minus x square. So in case of x, we have to put minus 4 the whole square. Then minus of minus 4 the whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. So we get 16 and remove the brackets. We get minus into plus. We get minus 16. Seventh sum. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1, find the values of the algebraic expression. Minus of minus a square minus of minus b square. So in case of a, we have to put the value of 2 and in case of b, we have to put the value of minus 1. So minus of minus a square means 2 square minus and minus of minus 1 the whole square. So minus of minus 2 square means we get 4. Then minus of minus 1 the whole square we get 1. Then remove the brackets we get minus into minus plus 4 and minus into minus plus 1. So it's our answer is 5. Next, let us recall the types of brackets and its simplification. Brackets. There are 4 different types of brackets. First one, bar. Second one, a round bracket. Third one, a curly bracket. And fourth one, a square bracket. Rules to evaluate brackets. First rule, simplify the expression within the brackets first. Second rule, when an expression contains more than one pair of brackets, simplify the expression within the innermost pair of brackets. If a plus sign precedes the brackets, there is no need to change the sign of any terms inside the brackets. If a minus sign precedes the brackets, remove the brackets by changing plus to minus and minus to plus. Today let us learn the simplification of brackets also. Exercise 13.2. Simplify 2m minus the square bracket 3n minus curly bracket of 4m minus the round bracket m minus n plus b the bar and the ending of the brackets. How to remove the brackets? First you have to remove the innermost brackets. Here the innermost bracket is bar. So keep the remaining terms as itself. So 2m minus 3n minus 4m minus m. So here that means a bracket preceding minus. So you have to change the symbols of inside terms. So plus n changed as minus n and plus b changed as minus b. Then closing of the remaining brackets. Here 4m and minus m have the same variable. So you can solve it. 4m minus m we get 3m. That is equal to 2m minus 3n minus 4m minus m. We get 3m plus n plus b and the closing of the brackets. Then you have to remove the curly brackets now. So 2m minus 3n curly bracket precedes minus. So you have to change the symbol of inside term. So we get minus 3m minus n minus p. You have to remove the curly brackets and the square brackets. Then 2m minus preceding here minus 3n and minus n. So first you have to solve that. So 3n minus n we get 2n minus 3m minus p. Then remove the brackets. So 2m minus precedes. So you have to change the symbol of inside terms. We get minus 2n plus 3m plus p. Here 2m and 3m have the same variable. So you can add it. 5m minus 2n plus P. By m minus 4n minus 2m minus 6m minus m minus n minus 6m. So first you have to remove the innermost bracket. Here also a bar bracket is there. Keep the remaining terms as it is. So m minus 4n minus square bracket 2m minus curly bracket 6m minus round bracket m. So that means a bracket precedes minus. So you have to change the symbol of inside terms. So plus n changed as minus n and minus 6m changed as plus 6m. So remove the bar brackets and put the remaining closing brackets. Next you have to remove the round bracket. Previous you have to solve that m plus 6m. So m minus 4n minus of 2m minus 6m minus m plus 6m we get 7m minus n. Then m minus 4n square bracket of 2m minus 6m minus proceed that. So change the signs of inner terms. We get minus 7m plus n. Remove the round bracket and put the closing brackets, remaining closing brackets. Then m minus 4n minus of 2m minus, first solve that 6m minus 7m, we get minus m. Yes, they are different sign. Subtract it and put the highest number sign plus n. Then m minus 4n minus of 2m minus precedes the curly bracket. So how to change the symbol of the terms inside the brackets. So it will be changed as plus m and minus n. And remove the curly brackets. Then now you have to solve that m minus 4n minus of 2m plus 1m, we get 3m minus n. Then m minus 4n minus precedes, so you have to change the symbol. We get minus 3m plus n. Now you can solve that m minus 3m. We get minus 2m. And minus 4n plus 1n, we get minus 3n. Thank you, students.